Okay, let's check out our next question on our review. For yours, you're going to see a little picture of me in the corner there. So that's kind of fun. But anyway, so the next question says, Manuel had some money from his chores. He gave his sister $5. Now he has $51 left. How many dollars did Manuel start with? So you're going to be thinking about this in your head for a little while. So close your eyes, and I want you to visualize. Imagine what's happening. I'm going to cover this up so you can't see it. Manuel has some money. He gives away $5, and now he has $51. So if he has some, right, and then some goes away, and now he has 51, how could we figure out how many was at the beginning? Right? So think of it this way. If I'm carrying around a lot of money, but I'm not sure how much money I'm carrying around, and I drop $5, and I know I have $51 left, how can I figure out what I had at the beginning? That's right, I'm going to put it together. So I'm going to put the $51 that Manuel has left and the $5 he left with, and I'm going to put it together to get what he had at the beginning. So I hope you were doing really good listening because that's how you're going to solve this problem.